Order of operations is a set of rules on what should be performed in what order. To begin with, we simplify, if possible, within the innermost grouping symbol. And I will put that as kind of a generic parentheses. Recognizing that grouping symbols can be parentheses, but it also can be brackets, braces, absolute value, or above and below any fraction bars. Next, we simplify any exponential expression. The third priority is to perform all multiplication and division problems working left to right, just like we read. Last operations to simplify would be any addition and subtraction, and again, left to right. Let's take a look at an example and follow the order of operations to correctly simplify it. In this problem, it has a variable, but they've given us a value for that variable. So the first thing is to replace the variable with the given value. So A will be replaced with 3. The first rule for our order of operations is to simplify within the innermost grouping symbol. We only have one grouping symbol. Simplifying inside there will do the indicated subtraction, resulting in 2. Now looking at the problem, we have a division, implied multiplication, and an exponent. Exponent is our second priority. Simplifying here, 2 cubed means 2 times 2 times 2, which results in a substitute equivalent value of 8. Next, taking a look at what's left, we have a division and a multiplication. This is our third step on our order of operations. And since they have the same priority, we will work left to right as they come. It might be tempting to multiply here, but follow the order of operations for the universal convention of simplifying an expression. In this case, negative 15 divided by 3, a negative 5 is the result. And last, we'll multiply that answer by the remaining operation of 8, and resulting in a solution or simplified answer of negative 4. In this next problem, we have not only grouping symbols, but within the grouping symbols, we have another, and we need to simplify in the innermost first. 3 minus 5, or 3 plus a negative 5 results in a negative 2. That's raised to the third power, the negative 2 replacing this expression in the parentheses, and the 2 in front. If we simplify further within the grouping symbol, following the order of operations, we can see that we have addition, multiplication, and an exponent. That has the priority. So the rest stays the same for a minute. And simplifying that exponent, a negative 2 times by itself 3 times. We have an odd number of negatives, which will result in a negative, and 2 to the third power is 8. Simplifying further inside this grouping symbol, we're now down to an addition and a multiplication. Multiplication has the priority over addition. Multiplying, we get a negative 16. Adding that to 9 within the grouping symbol results in a negative 7. So we have now 8 divided by 4 plus 4, and the simplified value here is that negative 7. Now looking at the problem, the operations remaining are division, addition, and an implied multiplication. Division and multiplication have equal priority. How to handle that then is working from left to right. So we'll do our division. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Skip the addition. Go to the multiplication next. A negative times a positive is a negative. We get a 28. And finally, add the only operation remaining, resulting in a negative 26.